out the door, I see the rain fall upon a few mortars. Waiting in a wick of separations as the shoes fill up with water. Maybe I'm just too young to keep good love from going wrong. But tonight, you're on my mind, so you'll never know. A little nod to Jeff Buckley there. Playing guitar is so cool, but you know what's cooler? Being able to play and sing at the same time. It's freedom, man. It's liberation. It's all the things. I love it. So if you're a singer and you're learning to play guitar, it's a very difficult thing to do both at the same time. I'm going to help you get started. We're going to do a simple song, and it's a foundational building block. Once you get this down, you can start to apply what you've learned with this song to other songs. My name is Brandon. This is MyPOVGuitar. I help you learn the guitar from the player's point of view, from your point of view. Let's sing and play at the same time. And of course, I'm going to show you from your point of view. The key to play and sing at the same time is something needs to be on the autopilot. There needs to be muscle memory. So I've picked Knocking on Heaven's Door by Bob Dylan. Okay, there's not a lot of different chords in this song. It's really repetitive, and he changes chords on certain words. It's very straightforward. It's really easy to understand. So the way to do this, the way to start getting your guitar playing is muscle memory. And obviously with more difficult songs, it's going to be more difficult, but you can take these things that you learn with Knocking on Heaven's Door and apply them to anything, okay? So you can see where the chord changes happen. So, Mama, take this badge off me. Okay, so that's G, D, A minor. And the only other change is instead of A minor in the next one, it goes to a C. So the first thing to do is know where the chord changes are on which words. Okay, and then we'll back into guitar playing after we learn that. So just get familiar with do one strums. Mama, take this badge off of me. And just make sure you're building into your memory where those changes happen. And just use one strum. That's step one. Once you have the chord changes down pat on which words and you're doing one strum, I just want you to add an extra strum. Do 2 strums. And what you'll notice, if you're a singer, you know where people come in on certain songs. With Knocking on Heaven's Door, you're going to want to do the first strum before you start singing on Mama. Mama, take this badge off of me. So you're just going to do 2 strums, except for the last, you're going to hold it. So you're going to do 4 strums. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it's starting to sound a little more like the song, where you're not just doing 1 strum, you know. So practice that. Start singing with that. And like I said, start off first. 1. Mama, take this badge off of me. And these are all downstrokes at this point. Okay, once you get the 2 downstrokes down, now we're going to incorporate an upstroke and a pause. So we're just progressing, right? It's getting a little more difficult each time, but this is a great song to do this to because it still feels right. It's easy to stay in the pocket on this one. So we're gonna do 1, 2, and pause. 3, 4, and. That's how we count it. 1, 2, and I'll show you. Mama, take this badge off me. Again, we're going to repeat on the A minor at the end of each line and the C at the end of each line. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Almost has kind of a waltz feel to it, but it's not a far cry from what we were just doing with the 2 downstrokes. And again, the song is so easy to stay in the pocket. So now we've progressed and we've got some upstrokes in there, and it's starting to sound more like, I mean, you could perform that if you wanted to, if you were to palm mute that, you know. A little English on that, you know, it sounds good, man. I like that. I might perform that song that way. Okay, so the final one, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Okay, so downstroke and 4, and. Okay, so what that would be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Mama, take this badge off me. 'Cause I can't use it anymore. Okay? That's it, guys. That right there, just use these same principles no matter what song it is. Find out where the chord changes happen on which words, right? And then once you get better, you can use these strumming patterns and even different ones. Once you kind of learn them, you can use them in all kinds of songs. So once you get all those kind of rhythms down, you can apply that to other songs. And if you're a singer already, you're going to know when it feels right, when it feels in the pocket. You're going to be able to adjust accordingly. And you've kind of got these strumming patterns down to muscle memory. Now you can focus on your voice. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel. And if you want to take more lessons, you can go to MyPOVGuitar.com. Until then, we'll see you in the next lesson.